Christian scores on the bench. But SMB able to switch back. Oh, that's so the captain, the defensive lineup, worked down. Cruz and Doliano, 3-point shot. Another Cruz punishes them on the other side. This Bevan and his defense from the other lane. First basket. And yes, a 3-point shot. Second 3-point attempt. Doliano adds to their bench points. And on. Trying to attack contact. And he scores another. Will they get the lead? Yes, they will. Courtesy. On to another try. Finally it falls. Oh, Thompson turns around the jumper. Short. A traveling violation cross. Misses from deep. CJ saves it. Ahead. Pinto is gone. Perez attacks. Layup. Followed out the bag. Work with. Stop. Igumbio reverse layup. Broke that deep wide open. First basket. Jambel drives and eats. To Chris Ross. Chris converts from Dunker. Exit pass. Kati. Counter three. To Jamie. In rhythm for three. That's good. Marcio pulls the trigger. They went under the wide switchback. Lassiter takes advantage. Hardinger. Dapat pa yan. He tries again. Perez. They go inside. Fajardo swat it away. Oh, misses from deep. Putback is good. Fortune Murphy. Throws leaner against Tenorio. They need control. LA. Big time shot. The General Eddie Cruz. Taking advantage. Gets an and one. What a find down low. And Geronte. Well for them. The end of the second quarter. Vito. Scotty for three. Money. They go under the screen. Throws. Makes the play. For Christian. Well defended. Marcio. On the attack. Never good. Trying to get a beer lead. They're both sides and Jericho Cruz. Marcio with an important. Attacks the closeout. Short stab is good.
That he can score offense 6 out of 12 from the 3-point area. 8 for him. And this is the Colombia hit that from over to me.
Fakes and scores with the left hand. Unbisi finally scores. Beth. June Bar goes to the spin. Layup is good from the